Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to use Inshot for video edits. Here's a 13-step guide to using Inshot for video editing on your device. First, open the Inshot app. Launch the Inshot app on your device. Next, start a new project. Tap on Video to start a new video editing project. Import your video. Choose the video you want to edit from your gallery and tap checkmark to import it into the timeline. Trim the video. Tap on the video clip in the timeline. Use the trim tool to cut parts of the video you don't want, adjusting the beginning and end points. Split the video. Tap Split to divide your video into two parts at a specific point. This is useful for making precise edits or applying different effects to different sections. Adjust speed. Highlight on your chosen clip. Tap on Speed, then adjust the slider to either slow down or speed up specific parts of the video. Add music. Tap on Audio to add music to your video. You can choose from Inshot's music library, your device's music, or extract audio from another video. Add text. Tap on the text option, then tap on Text to add titles, captions, or subtitles. You can customize the font, size, color, and duration of the text on the timeline. Apply filters and effects. Tap on Filters to apply a preset filter to your video. Use the Effects option to add transitions or visual effects like glitch or blur. Add stickers. Tap on Sticker, then tap Sticker again to add animations or graphic elements to your video. You can search for birthday stickers, emojis, or theme graphics. Adjust video settings. Tap on Canvas to adjust the aspect ratio of your video. For example, 16:9 or 9:16. You can also use the rotate by using your fingers to change the orientation of your video. Add transitions. Tap the transition button between clips to apply transitions in Basic, such as fade or wipe. This helps create smooth transitions between scenes. Save and export. Once you're happy with your edits, tap Export in the top right corner. Choose the resolution and frame rate for the export, then tap Export, and your video will be saved to your gallery. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.